In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Steam overlay not working. If the Steam overlay isn't opening while you're in a game, there are a few settings you can check that often resolve the problem. First, open Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. From the menu on the left, click In-Game, then make sure Enable the Steam overlay while in-game is turned on. Also, check the overlay shortcut key so you know which key combination opens it. If you made any changes, close the settings and launch your game again to see if the overlay is now working. If the issue continues, go to your library, right-click the affected game, and select Properties. Under the General tab, make sure Enable the Steam overlay while in-game is also enabled for that specific game. Another fix is to completely close Steam. Exit the app from the system tray so it's fully shut down. Then reopen Steam by right-clicking it and selecting Run as Administrator. After Steam launches again, try opening your game and test the overlay. Finally, if it's still not working, close any unnecessary applications running in the background, as some programs can interfere with the Steam overlay. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully, one of these methods gets the Steam overlay working again.